I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful strawberry sorbet using only 3 ingredients. In a food processor, combine 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries, the juice of half of a lemon, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm using this sugar-free honey from Chalk Zero. This is what the bottle looks like. It's delicious. Get that nice and blended. This is kind of a process here to get the right consistency, so I wanted to show you all the steps that I did. It came out looking really icy and chunky, and I also tasted it and it wasn't quite sweet enough, so I added a little bit more honey and then just some water to it. The consistency is getting close, but it's still not quite there, so I'm just adding a little bit more water as I go. This is the texture that we are aiming for. Look how beautiful and smooth this is. You could obviously eat this right away, or if you wanted to save it for later, throw it in a Tupperware and freeze it for about 30 minutes, and then it's gonna come out looking like this. Look at this texture. This is absolutely incredible. I hope you guys make it. Enjoy!